Hi there, students. A rebate, a countable noun, and to rebate. Yes, as a verb, but with a different meaning. Okay, a rebate is a deduction or a reduction in the amount paid for something, maybe a discount. Or more technically, it's the return of part of an amount of money paid. So the most common example of this is a tax rebate. Yeah. So it's the amount of money that the government returns to you when you've paid too much tax. Yeah, they always try to take more tax than is due to them, and then you have to claim back a tax rebate. Okay, so the rebate is money returned to you. Um, let's see. I know many companies, particularly oil companies, um, they give petrol stations a rebate depending on how much the volume of fuel that they sell in a year. If you sell 1,000,000 litres a year, we will give you a rebate of 4%. Yeah, if you sell 100,000 litres per year, we will give you a rebate of 2%. So at the end of the year, they calculate how much you've paid, and then they send you a check for the difference, for that amount, and that is a rebate. Also, this form of discount, because effectively it's what it is more effective than just reducing the price that you pay, because in this way you actually get money in your hands, although you had paid it before. Okay, so I think the main idea of a rebate is money given back. Yeah, or maybe the manufacturer will give a rebate for every item that the shopkeeper sells. Okay, he will give back an amount of money, maybe to the client. Yeah, so it's a way to pay customers back. So yes, I need to qualify for a rebate. Yeah, I would like to receive a rebate because I'm on low income. Yeah, so it's maybe like a grant as well, where somebody else pays part of the money, or in that idea. So you will receive a rebate of 25%. This offer has a rebate. It carries a rebate of £10. There's effectively it's a discount, but a slightly more subtle way of doing it. Yeah, it's like I pay you the money and then you pay me back part of it. Yeah, although very often it's just done in the transaction itself. Okay, now also to rebate, a rebate. This is to do with carpentry. If you've ever changed a window pane in a pane of glass, Pane, in a window, firstly you have to take out the broken glass that was inside it, and then there is a rebate in the wood. It's like a little step, and the new piece of glass fits in the rebate, and then maybe you put putty or pieces of wood round. So a rebate is like a step in on the edge of a piece of wood. Or if you wanted to make a joint where two pieces of wood fit, if you put a little step on the edge of each of these, the two bits fit together much better, and that is also a rebate. Yeah, but it's a completely different meaning. Okay, it's a technical DIY or carpentry or building word. Okay, so a rebate, a return of part of a payment, a deduction from a payment. Yeah, the return of part of a payment already made, and then this step shape on the edge of a piece of wood to make a joint that fits very well. actually also you have a rebate in photography. This is the edge of the roll of film which doesn't have any image on it. Okay, that's also a rebate. Let's see, how formal is this word, a tax rebate? I think I'd give it 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere. It's quite often used as a business word as well. And then this rebate in carpentry, this is a technical word, but it's the word that describes it, so the formality is not relevant. As to origin, it comes from French, rebattre, which comes from battre, to beat or to hit, from Latin battuere, yeah, to hit. Okay, so a rebate. Yeah, I hope you get a massive tax rebate this year. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Rebate.